Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to download GTA San Andreas. Okay, so the first thing that I'll need to do is to have the Steam account. Of course, you'll have to get that first, download the application, and then create an account. Okay, and then right after that, you will just have to use the search bar at the store, okay, and then type out GTA. Okay, and then click enter. Then you will be able to see the GTA San Andreas in here. And then you'll need to input your birth date. Okay, so make sure that you're in a legal age and then tap on the view page. Okay, and then scroll down until you see the add to cart option. So here, so when you purchase this edition, it will include 3 items. Okay, these are the items. Okay, and then right after that, you will just have to click on the add to cart. Okay, this one. So you can purchase this for yourself or purchase this game as a gift. So you're going to click on the purchase for myself. Okay, and then right after that, you will be asked to choose your payment method. For example, we are going to choose the PayPal method. Okay, and then tap on continue. Then right after that, you'll just have to tap on the continue again. Okay, just read the information. And then click on PayPal. And finally, you will just have to type out your payment details in order to purchase that game. So since I am not gonna show here my details, so I will just going to show you where you can see the app after purchasing it. Okay, so just go to the library, and then here are the example apps. Okay, so for example, this is the GTA San Andreas. So I will just going to click on it. Okay, so for example, this one, and then I will just have to click on the install button. So right after that, I will just going to wait until the application will be fully installed on my PC, and make sure that you will have enough space for this application. Then right after that, you'll be able to see the play button and you can start playing. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.